Namaskar and welcome to Aad Yog. Today this video is about the course and the practice that I want to do with you, the free meditation course that I'm trying to organize with you guys. So what you need to do, let's get to the point straight, okay? No ifs and buts, no here and there, no nothing. So the very first thing, just read the description. I want because I have the world is big and different time zones. I have many time zones to serve. What I want you to tell me your name, your age, your gender, your height, your weight, the country you're from, the time zone you're from, and what else, any previous issues, health issues that you might have gone through, maybe some surgeries. I want full information, and I want information about anything presently or now if you're going through something, any health issues or anything. And then comes the point of what kind of books you have studied. Are you fully new into yoga, or are you fully new into meditation, or you have certain type of knowledge, experience, or something like that? Okay, and I have to go through all these emails. It will take some time, just bear with me. My greatest help is just meditating for some days with another master. So yes, so what we'll do, I want you to send me this information. I will read your emails, I will reply you. So what I will do, I'll put time zone wise different classes, different times for different classes, and accordingly we will decide. I will decide with you, okay, that okay, this much time we can give. I will send you personally emails, and I will say I would want you to send me your contact number as well. If you have some application to talk to, like WhatsApp, so that we can communicate easily, that would be much better. Okay. Yes, I think this is the information for the course. Okay, so what we will cover. Some people will ask this question, oh, you are going to teach this for free, what's going on? Okay, my dear, the very first thing that I want you to understand, this whole free meditation setup is to take you to your higher self. Okay, and it may take some time, and it will take some time. So we have to go a long way together. In between, you will face many things. Maybe some health issue comes, maybe some financial issue comes in your life, maybe some relationship issue comes in your life. So meanwhile, as we are going in this spiritual journey, we will work together to sort out your relationships, to sort out your financial things, and to sort out your health issues if something comes. Okay, I want you to be very serious about this life, but in a loving way. Don't take stress out of it. This is the very life that we need to live fully, and I will just try, according to my experience, to give you the tools to live it fully. And while you are living your life fully in your full potential, achieve moksha, achieve your spiritual life, achieve your true self, plus point. No? I like this way. Well, you can do businesses, you can use your money, you can buy your car, bungalow, whatever, and still improving in your spiritual goals, improving in this divinity, improving in this entire universe, and helping everybody to improve, to improve, I mean, to know themselves. And slowly, the dream to see everybody enlightened, living with harmony and loving. Have you ever imagined how would it feel like every person is just awakened? Nobody's trying to push anybody. They're just living in harmony. Even then they will be reproducing. Even then they will be doing businesses. Even then they will be doing something. because there will be some aspect of life where people are beginning this journey, some people are in the middle of it, and some people are just there. So let's do our business. Our business is to make more of who are already there, so that the people who are about to start the journey, they don't find it difficult to find a master. And my job is to turn you into master, because you already are masters, but you need somebody to poke. Let's do it. Alright guys, so that'll be all for today. I will not talk much about, I think everything is clear, but still I will write down the information in the description, what you need to send me, the email. In the email you will send me all these details. Don't write too much of stuff, too big of information, or it would be thousands of emails, it would take me time. So I would want you to write me precise information so that I can put everybody in particular zones. So if I find that somebody needs attention now, I will give you a call, we will talk. If something is very ups and down is going in your life, we will talk. I will do that. And then yes, you have to be punctual and disciplined a little, and to take your life to the best is my guarantee. Nobody gives you the guarantee, I do. Let's start it. Namaste.